Hi guys, this is DJ Hari and welcome you all to the Jash view. Today I'm going to talk about a device that is going to build a bridge between humans and aliens. No one can say that aliens are not present in our universe, but still no one can prove the presence of aliens. If this device works properly, or if this device completes its mission successfully, then we might get some answers for those questions. So without wasting time, let's move on to the video. In 1977, NASA launched two Voyager spacecraft into the space for some important purpose. After the main mission of the Voyager gets completed, they do not want the spacecraft to be wasted. So what they did was, they included two golden records into the Voyager, and at that time there was no digital technology. So these golden records were in the form of analog phonographic discs. The purpose of this golden record is that after the Voyager completes its main mission, it is left as it is to roam around the space even after it goes beyond our solar system. So, if this Voyager is seen by some aliens or some extraterrestrials, they will get the golden records along with the Voyager. So now your question will be, what are aliens going to do with this golden record? NASA scientists have attached some important information into the golden record in order to communicate with the aliens. They expect some sort of reply from the aliens, and this purpose is served by the golden record. Now your question will be, what is there in this golden record? What are those information? The information in this golden record is being separated into four parts. Number 1, audio of greetings from 55 different languages. In these 55 different languages, unfortunately, my mother tongue Tamil is not included, but still many more languages which have been spoken in India are added in this list. And number 2, 115 images have been added. And number 3, sounds of earth such as volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, wind, rainfall, and sounds of animals which are living in our earth are also being added in this golden record. And number 4, which is nothing but music. Now, we humans know how to play the record and hear those voices, but aliens have no idea about that. For this, NASA scientists have added some important diagrams in the outer layer of the disk so that the aliens could understand how to play the record. Now, let us see how aliens are going to decode those diagrams. First of all, let us see these lines. This image is the pulsar map. It helps the aliens to find our location in the universe by triangulating the Earth's distance from various neutron stars. Except this image, all other images are going to explain how to play the record and hear those sounds and audios. Now, let us look into this image. This image represents the hydrogen atom that is very much abundant in this universe. In this image, the two lines represent the electron and the proton. The direction of rotation of this electron and proton will change once in the 10 million years. This change is known as hyperfine transition. When this transition occurs, the hydrogen will emit some sort of energy in the wavelength of 21 cm, which is represented by the line in between. This 21 cm wavelength radiation is used commonly by the astronomers for mapping the universe that has frequency of 1420 MHz. If this is converted in seconds, we will get 7.04 into 10 to the power of minus 10 seconds, which is nothing but 0.7 nanosecond. With this number, all the diagrams in the disk can be easily decoded. This image has some binary codes, and if I convert this to decimal and multiply with 7.04 into 10 to the power of minus 10, then I will get 3229, which is nothing but the total runtime of the record in seconds. And after that, converting this binary number into decimal and multiply it by 7.04 into 10 to the power of minus 10, you will get 3.59, which is the time for one rotation in seconds. Only if I play the record in that speed, I can hear those audios. If I run the record by turning it to the opposite side, I will not get any voice, but I can hear a sound of vibration. I have already told that this record is not digitalized, but still, somehow the scientists have managed to compress those images in these vibrations of audio.
It's unbelievable, right? Let us know how. See this image at the top right corner. If I decode those values, I will get 0.008 millisecond, by which I have to separate the total waveform for each 0.008 millisecond. According to this symbol below, each section of this record completes one out of a total 512 scan lines. In simple ways, what these symbols are about to say is that we have to record the waveforms for each 0.008 millisecond and arrange them in 512 lines that will render an image. In that way, if I decode the sound waves using the above method, the first rendered image would be a circle, which is what the last image drawn in the disk. If aliens manage to find this image, they will come to know that they are onto something, and that might lead them to find all other images. This record is not just an information of our planet Earth. It is a history that every human being living in this planet should know about. This record is an invincible information, and we all know that one day our planet is going to die. But still, if this record is seen by any alien, they will definitely come to know about our civilization, our different culture, our different languages, and various creatures that lived in our world. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, this is DJ Harry signing off. Bye bye, take care, learn science from great minds. Thank you.